Hi, hello. My name is Guy Ronan, and this is a quick demonstration of InteractED video player, which is an interactive video player that allows the viewers to interact with it. So it has several features, and I want to quickly demonstrate them. For example, what we call pop-up questions. So you can, as the content creator, define and configure pop-up questions that will be displayed to the viewers, and they will need to answer it. For example, this pop-up question asks you to answer whether you're watching a YouTube video player or a Vimeo video player or VLC video player or InteractED video player. So as you answer the question, you will see the correct answer marked, and you probably saw the countdown. So any such pop-up questions can be pre-configured with whether to show a countdown to the question and configure how long will be the countdown, whether it will be a showstopper or not, meaning whether this question will stop the playing of the video. So the previous question was displayed while the video still running, but this question is displayed, or maybe was displayed, because now you're watching me only after the question was closed. So whether you answered the question or you ran out of time, only after the question was finished or was closed, ran out of time, or answered whether correctly or not, only then the video play continued. So you can pre-define, pre-configure if the question will be a showstopper or not. You can, of course, set the credit points for the correct answer. You can set whether the correct answer will be indicated or not. And you can set, pre-configure if the answers will be shuffled, meaning every time the question will be displayed, the order of the answers will be different, randomly shuffled. So this was one of the features, which is called a pop-up question. Another feature is what we call overlaid images or text messages, meaning the content creator can predefine overlaid images and overlaid text messages that will appear on top of the video. So this is a quick demonstration of an overlaid image, and this is a quick demonstration of an overlaid text. Now, as a content creator, you can set the relative size and position of these overlays and the background and text colors in case of a text message overlay. And you can, of course, set any image that you like, either a local one or a URL to an image on the net. So that was overlays features, and let's go to the next feature. The next feature is attendance checks. So as content creators, especially if you are a teacher or a lecturer or someone who gives courses, online courses, you probably want to make sure that the viewers, your students, are attending actively and not just playing the video in the background and going to wash the dishes. So attendance checks allows you to predefine or pre-configure attendance checks messages. For example, this one that you need to hit the yes button or the send button to mark that you are attending or you are actually actively watching the video. So just like pop-up questions, these attendance checks can be set to be showstoppers or not. You can define the countdown, the length of the attendance check message, and you can define whether to show or not the countdown, and you can define whether it will be a predefined, in matter of point in time, attendance check, or just configure some random attendance checks that will be randomly displayed to the viewer. So using attendance checks, you can make sure that your viewers, your students, are actually watching your video. So that was attendance checks. Some more features include chat simulation. So for example, let's say this was a pre-recorded live session. And during the live session, me as the teacher asked the viewers, the students, some questions, and I wanted to get some answers from the students in the chat. So let's say they did answer and they gave me some answers in the chat, and I want to redisplay these answers in this video. So I just gathered all the answers and display them as a simulated chat. For example, let me ask you a free question, like an open question. How do you like this interactive video player demonstration so far? So please enter the chat and hit some answers to this question. Oh, so I see that Tom says, it's wonderful. And Dana says, this is just awesome. And I get some more answers, as you can see. And also you, as the current viewer, can join the party and hit your answer in the chat. So this chat simulation allows me as the content creator to include pre-defined chat messages in the chat. It makes the viewer to feel like he's in a classroom and not all by himself. So that was chat simulation. Another feature would be vote simulation, meaning me as a teacher, every once in a while I'm explaining something new, I want to stop and ask if everything is clear. So, for example, let me ask you, is everything clear? So, was I clear till now? Hit the yes button if you think all good. Hit the no button if you think no, that was not clear. Hit the raise hand button if you have a question. So as you can see, these are votes of the viewers that were already viewing this video, this lecture. And you can also hit the yes, no, and raise hand button on your own. So Tom has a question. Yes, Tom, what's your question? Write in the chat. Hit me in the chat. What's your question? So Tom asked, where can I find this interactive video player? How can I use it? Where can I get it from? So Tom, that's a very good question. Just hit the website and you can find it there. So that was a demonstration of a votes simulation and also another demonstration of chat simulation. So another feature would be what we call table of contents, or others call it chapters. So whether it would be table of contents or chapters, what it means is that the viewer can hit the TOC button just at the bottom of the control bar, just on the left-hand side, at the bottom of the control bar, you can see the table of contents button. And if you hit it, you can see the table of contents of this video. So this TOC, table of contents, was predefined, pre-configured by the content creator. And it allows you, the viewer, to jump straight to a certain point in time in the video for the specific chapter that you are interested in. So TOC, table of contents, is something that can easily predefine by the content creator. So another feature would be what we call cutouts. And this means that you as the content creator can predefine, pre-configure trimmed out sections that will be automatically jumped over by the video player. So you don't have to actually edit the video and re-export it and re-upload the new version of the video. You just define where you want the video player to jump over some predefined sections in time. So predefined cutouts is a pretty powerful feature. Another feature is that you as a content creator can set the initial speed of the video, meaning the viewer will automatically see the video at the speed of your choice. You can also select which video sources you want to use in the video. You can use Vimeo-based hosted videos, you can use YouTube-hosted videos, or any other accessible video that you have a URI for, whether it be a local video on your disk or a web-based video on the internet. So some other features include a start at, a trim before, a trim after configurations, meaning you can trim the video at the start, you can trim the video at the end, so the video will automatically start from a certain point and cannot be scrolled back before that point. That's the trim before option. And you can set a trim after, meaning any other part of the video after that point will not be played. And you can also set a start at point in which the video will start when the viewer will watch it, but the viewer will be able to scroll back. So that's the difference between start at and frame before. And last but not least, the remotely controlled watch party. This means you can predefine a watch party. You as the content creator, you can host a watch party for your video. And that means that you can give your users, your viewers, your students, you can give them a specific special URL. And when they hit this URL, they will be watching a watch party that you control. They will not have control on the session. They will not be able to pause. They will not be able to change the speed. They will not be able to do anything that controls the play of the video session. They will not have any seek bar, and the video session, the play, will be controlled by you remotely. And anyone that has the link will be able to join this session. And if someone joined the session earlier, it will have a message that tells them to wait for the session to start. And if they join the session after it was already begun, they will see a message that tells them that the session was started and they could join in the party. So remotely controlled watch party, that's another feature of this amazing video player, InteractED video player. And of course, more great features are coming soon. They're in development right now, and be sure they're coming soon. So that was a quick demonstration of the current features of InteractED video player. I hope you're going to use it and enjoy it, and I thank you for watching. See you soon.